In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about growing a gaming channel in 2022. But here's a quick backstory. So I ran a gaming channel in a super saturated niche with a lot of creators to compete against. Well, I went ahead and did my own research on the YouTube algorithm and its behavior on gaming channels and videos, because what most of these creators over here teach on YouTube just doesn't work for gaming channels. And I'm sure you'd agree with that, right? And yeah, we got monetized 5 weeks afterwards, and then school came in and I had to stop. So the first step you need to take in order to grow your gaming channel this year is to make click-worthy thumbnails. Look, this is the single most important factor in ranking a gaming video. I know some of you might argue about metadata optimizations, but your videos don't get to stay up in search results for long if they aren't getting any views, because the algorithm has no reason to keep them ranked when they aren't getting enough views. So your thumbnail is the baseline for all optimizations, and here are 3 simple rules to always follow when making a great gaming thumbnail. There should be no more than 3 characters or objects in an image. It's simple, the fewer the objects in an image, the easier it is for us to see. Use non-YouTube colors such as red. Instead, use purple, yellow, and green. They stand out amongst the rest. Make objects and text as bold as possible. So after making sure you can make good enough thumbnails, the next step you need to take in order to grow your gaming channel in 2022 is to optimize your content for watch time.
Above all, the algorithm has 2 simple goals. 1, help each viewer find the videos they want to watch, and 2, get viewers to keep watching more of what they like. Now, you might be asking yourself, okay, then how can I get the algorithm to like my videos? Pretty simple. Get the audience to like your videos. That's because the algorithm follows the audience.
So watch time or audience retention simply refers to how much of your video viewers watched. So here's the fact. You are going to lose more than 30% of your viewers in the first few seconds of your video. Dude, it's almost as if these viewers mistakenly clicked the video in the first place. But it's really because there are lots of content on YouTube and you want to give your viewers reasons why they should watch yours instead. So here are 2 simple tricks you can do to get your viewers watching your videos longer. So the hook method, as the name implies, is simply a technique creators use to get their viewers to watch their content longer. And here's how it goes. You simply start your video by telling your viewers exactly what they'll get in the video, although they've seen this in the title already, but saying this actually reinforces it in their mind that they are going to get what they came looking for. For gaming creators, I know a lot of you just upload gaming content without actually showing your face or even a voiceover. However, you can still use the hook method as much as anyone else. And here's how. Wait.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
NANI? If for instance you are making a montage video, start it with a clip of the best kill or sync of the entire video, even before your intro. So the second trick you can use to optimize your content for watch time is to simply cut out the boring stuff. So a friend of mine was running a gaming channel, but in his montage content, the video gets filled up with how you got to the fight scenes, and then the fight scene lasts for 10 seconds. Like, no one wants to watch you get there. We just want to see the fights. That's all we're after. So cut out the boring stuff. Cut out how you got there and just show us how the fight went, right? Now, if you have a good video and a great thumbnail, all that's left is to get your content out there. And that's where metadata optimization comes to play. As a lot of you might know already, this is simply writing good titles, smart descriptions, and relevant tags. Tags aren't so much of a big deal nowadays, but yeah. So in order to do this, we are going to use vidIQ's free keyword research tool to get the best keywords for ranking in search results. Go to their website, register, and start using for free. Now, I could hop an affiliate link in the description below, but I think the free version is enough, which is actually what I use as well. So just go to vidiq.com, register, and come to the keyword research tool here. Type your video's target keyword or the title you have in mind. You will see an overall score of how good it will be to make a video on that particular keyword combination. Anything from 60% overall score is good enough to be your title. Nonetheless, if you see a bad score for the keyword you typed in, simply try a new combination of the words or on the same topic, right? I'm sure you will see a combination worthy of your title. Well, after you've done your keyword research, use the keyword combination you got in the first 50 characters of your title. You also want to add something to your title aside from the keyword combination you just got. This enables you to rank higher in search results, right? As for your description, simply write what the video is about with your target keyword naturally in it. Just assume someone literally asked you what the video is about and you have to explain to the person, right? A good description is around 500 characters. Please do make sure you use your target keywords naturally in different lines of your description. This helps tell YouTube exactly what the video is about and get it to rank faster. And this is what metadata optimization is all about. Lastly, for your tags, you want to put keywords that are close to that of your title. Again, you need to make sure your target keyword is found everywhere in your title, tags and description. Like I said, this is how YouTube manages to understand what the video is about and show it to relevant audience. That's it for metadata optimization. Let's move to the next one. At this point, if you consistently follow all these steps, you will definitely begin to see some significant results. But I kind of figured out that relying on the algorithm isn't always a good idea. In fact, you can do everything right and still fail to get enough views. If you've been on YouTube long enough, I'm sure you already know this. So with effective sharing, we're able to get thousands of views from popular social networks no one talks about. Why this is so important is because if you're able to get enough views from outside YouTube, it can help trigger the algorithm to push your content to more viewers from within YouTube. This has worked really well for me in the past. So here's how to effectively share your content on Reddit, which is the biggest open platform gamers use the most for content and news. Now, bluntly sharing a link on Reddit will most definitely get it removed by some bot. You first of all need to upload a clip of the video, the best part of it, like the one we used to hook the viewers. Upload the clip, add some caption, and simply just wait for people to start viewing. Once you get a couple views, attach your YouTube link as a comment to the post, telling viewers to watch the full video. Guys, this is really powerful and you can get a ton of views from this. Finally! Last but not the least, harness the power of shorts. Wait.
Ah, shit. Here we go again.
But here's the question. Are YouTube shorts a great way of growing a gaming channel? Now I have to admit, whilst it's very easy to get thousands of views on YouTube shorts, you probably wouldn't be getting a lot of subscribers like you think. And that's because people just tend to scroll past the short feed after watching one video. They don't really hit the subscribe button or come to your channel to watch more. So in order to beat that, I came up with a strategy that will enable viewers click on your channel, watch more of your videos, and most likely subscribe to your channel. It's very simple. All you have to do is make your videos in parts. And if your videos are intriguing enough, people will definitely come to your channel searching for more of them. Just like you do when someone says hit the subscribe button for part 2 on TikTok. You get the point. Sounds great, right? And trust me, all you have to do is upload at least 2 shorts a day and you'll almost immediately begin to see some results. And yes, you do not have to create a dedicated channel for this if you don't want to. It's okay to upload both short and normal videos in one channel. In fact, it's a great idea if you can split them into playlists.